Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel and another Belorraine video. Thank you so much, Kate, for this t-shirt. Oh my god, I love it. You guys are looking for a customized tie-dye t-shirt. I'll be posting on the description box down below her Instagram, so where you can DM her. She has amazing t-shirts. Check her out on her Instagram. So this video, I'll be giving you 5 tips of how to treat your existing mask acne and how to prevent more from coming out. But before, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to hit that notification bell so you know when I'm uploading new videos. So let's get started with the tips. Tip number uno, clean your masks. If you have your face mask and it's reusable, make sure that's 100% cotton. Your skin will breathe better underneath. Tip number 2 is double cleansing. It really does help to prevent more breakouts from coming out and also treat those existing breakouts. Double cleansing is using an oil-based cleanser first, follow it with your water-based cleanser. I like to use a cleansing balm, and the one I've been using for a long time is Then I Met You Living Cleansing Balm. Now I've started to use more often is the Glow Recipe Papaya Enzyme one. Then I follow up with my water-based cleanser, the Glow Recipe their Blueberry Gentle Cleanser. Now tip number 3 would be exfoliation. If you don't know what a chemical exfoliator is, or you're curious or want to know a little bit more, check out my link right over here where I did a 2-part series of exfoliation. I love doing a chemical exfoliator, and the one that I'm using is the Neogen Dermalogy, the Bio Peel. This one has 3 AHAs, lactic, glycolic, and tartaric acid. It has 2-sided pads. One side actually creates as an exfoliator, like physical exfoliator. You're gonna be slightly, rubbing onto your skin. And the other side, which is a cotton pad, this side grab all that debris and dead skin cells. I like to interchange with another type of exfoliation, which is the clay mask. And the one that I love to use is in tree. This mugwort ingredient is very well known to treat inflammation and also existing acne. Tip number 4, you need to moisturize your skin. Keeping your skin hydrated, making sure that your skin barrier is pretty strong. You want to look for ingredients such as peptides and ceramides. Our skin already has ceramides, and it plays a key role in helping hold skin cells together, reinforce skin barrier, and aid in the treatment of skin conditions. We need to help replenish our loss of ceramides to protect our skin against harmful external factors and treat various skin conditions. And peptides are short chains of amino acids that act as building blocks of proteins such as collagen, elastin, and keratin. These proteins are the foundation of your skin and are responsible for its texture, strength, and resilience. One that I've been using a lot and has been helping me is the Then I Met You Calming Tide Gel Cream. This one has peptides, and it also has hibiscus as one of the antioxidants. It's very lightweight. I love it because it is not too thick on my skin, and it's pretty watery, and also my skin absorbs it very, very quickly. And tip number 5, protecting your skin with a sunscreen SPF. It doesn't matter if you're using your face mask, UV rays from the sun can penetrate onto your cloth, face mask, or whatever material that you're using. Your skin is still exposed. So you want to make sure a second layer of protection, not only using peptides and ceramides with your moisturizer, but using your sunscreen. I love using Korean sunscreens because they are formulated specifically for your skin. I'll be posting all the products that I've shown you and I've explained on the description box down below, and also there are links where you can find these. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to follow me on my social medias at Belorraine. See you in my next video. Bye!